Hello everyone. Normally the student asks me, what is the main daily benefit of yoga? If they practice yoga each and every day, what exactly you can get? The first thing, yoga is not something like a business. So if you expect something out of it each and every day, it's not going to come. But one thing I want to focus. Yoga practice is extremely important in one way. What you do on the yoga mat that reflects your personal life. And the way how do you practice yoga on your mat that is going to affect your daily life. So let's understand in a simple way. Suppose you had a rough day, you had a bad day. When you will come to a yoga practice, psychologically you are not so good and you are extremely tired somehow physically and mentally. The practice will be quite okay. And on the second day, you have an extremely good day. There's extremely good news and you are extremely optimized at the work. The same energy you are going to carry towards this yoga mat. We have seen during each and every day of these yoga classes, the students define their day on the yoga practice. So the most important thing what we can learn from this, you have to put your best on this yoga day. So basically what we learn from this, you have to do your best effort with a positive outlook on your yoga mat because it's going to reflect after 22 hours of your day. So this 90 minutes of the practice controls the 22 hours of your total practice of the day. So you don't do yoga just on the mat. The effects keep on going for the whole day in the form of improved circulation, in the form of higher level of optimism, in the form of higher level of physical energy, extremely good digestion, extremely good health, and an extremely joyful state of mind. Second thing, what we have to focus being as a teacher. It is extremely important for a yoga teacher to bring the best out of the yoga student. Because most of the yoga students who comes to the daily classes, they are not concerned about this yoga philosophy. They are more concerned about their practice. And when they achieve certain kind of the postures which are much more above their standards, but they have done the best effort, like doing the headstand, doing the scorpion, or standing on the one leg, or start doing the peacock. These kind of the postures which are at the intermediate level, the student experiences a state of self-confidence, enthusiasm, and joy which he carries for weeks into his life. So being as a teacher, it is also our essential duty to bring the best technique and the best sequence for the student to practice. So at least on the surface level, he can feel the confident state. And being as a student, this is their extreme important duty to bring the best output on the yoga mat. So when these two forces are joined, the life is going to be a miracle.